Hi, today we have Mercedes-Benz. I'm going to show you how to change oil and oil filter. It's 1.6 liter engine. The oil filter is down here. We are going to open it. We use 27mm wrench and we are opening anti-clockwise. Here is the oil filter, and now we are going to raise the vehicle to open the plug to drain the oil. We have raised the vehicle. Now we are going to remove the protective plastic under the engine. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts. We have removed the plastic. Now we can see the plug. It's with 13mm wrench. Now we will wait the oil to drain. Now we have installed the protective plastic. We can lower the car. We have lowered the car. Now we are going to install the oil filter. Here is the old one. To remove it, just pull up. And remove the O-ring. Now we are going to install the new one. Here we have new oil filter, new rubber seals. We are going to remove the old ones. There is here, and the big one. And now we are going to place the new oil filter like this, and we are going to mount it on the car. We are tightening clockwise. Now we are going to fill with oil. We have installed the oil filter. Now we can fill with oil. We are using Castrol 5 watts 40. We have filled with 5 liters of oil. Now we are going to check. First we wipe the you can see it's little over max. Now we are going to start the car. Now we can start the engine. And we can check again the oil.